Hey guys, I'm Mr. Rucker, and today I would like to talk to you about elapsed time. So elapsed time is just how much time goes by from start to finish, beginning to end. It's how much time is in between these two times. Okay, and it can be a little tricky. So I like to use a number line so that we don't lose an hour or gain an hour. Okay, and also there are some benchmark times that can help you figure this out. So on a clock, right, you've got the minute hand which goes all the way around, but there's really four benchmarks. Okay, at 12, that's 60, and it's also 0. Okay, so 60 minutes at an hour. When it gets to 60, it restarts, and 0 is really the same spot. Okay, the next benchmark is 15 minutes, the 3. And if you're at the 3, there are 45 minutes to the next hour. So if it's 1:15, it's 45 minutes to 2. If it's 2:15, it's 45 minutes to 3. Okay, the next benchmark is the 30-minute mark, the 6. And from there, that's half an hour, 30 is half. So it's 30 minutes to get to the next hour. So at 2:30, it's 30 minutes to 3. At 3:30, it's 30 minutes to 4. Okay, and then the last benchmark is the 45-minute mark, which is the 9, right? So we've got 0 and 60, same spot, 12, 3, 6, and then 9 is 45 minutes. From the 45-minute mark, it's just 15 to the next hour. So at 12:45, it's 15 minutes till 1. At 1:45, it's 15 minutes till 2. Okay. So we're going to do couple of examples first with just those benchmarks, and then I'll show you how to do it from any time. Okay. So from 2:15 to 5 o'clock. So I know from 15 to, well, let's just start here. 2:15 is my start. Okay. The next hour is 3 o'clock. Okay. And also, I know I'm going to 5 o'clock. I should have put that first, probably. So from 2:15 to 3, it's 45 minutes. So that jump was 45. Okay. Now, from 3, I can jump to 4. From 3 to 4, that's 1 hour. Okay. And then from 4 to 5, that's another 1 hour. So in total, when I look at the whole distance I traveled, I've got 1 hour, 2 hour, 45 minutes. So from 2:15 to 5 o'clock is 2 hours, 45 minutes. Okay? Let's do another one. So 3:45 to 8 o'clock. I'm starting at 3:45. I'm finishing at 8 o'clock. Okay? So I know that after 3, 4 is the next hour, and from 45 to the next hour, it's only 15 minutes. Okay? So then 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. These jumps, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, those are all 1 hour jumps. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. So if I look at what I've done here, in total, I had 1, 2, 3, 4 1 hour jumps, 4 hours, and then I had that 15-minute jump that I started with. 4 hours, 15 minutes. Okay? So knowing those quarter hours can make it a lot easier. Okay? But you're not always going to get that. Sometimes it's just going to be odd starts and stops. Okay? So it might be something like 1:18 to 6 o'clock. Okay, that might be a problem you would see, 1:18 to 6 o'clock. So if that's what we have to do, we're still going to use an underline. Okay, 1:18 to 6 o'clock. Now I can always figure out the time to the next hour. The next hour after 1 is 2 o'clock by just subtracting from 60. 60 minutes in an hour. 60 minus 18 is 42 minutes. Okay, so that's 42 minutes. That's the hard part, really. Now I can just do hours all the way. So 2 to 3, 3 to 4, oops, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. Okay, so that's 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. I've got 4 hours again. 4 hours, 42 minutes. Okay. Let's do another one like that. 2:20 to 4 o'clock. Okay, not a very wide window of time. So 2:20, 4 o'clock. Okay, I can always figure out the time to the next hour from my start, 2:20, right? By subtracting from 60. So 60 minus 20, it's 40 minutes. So from 2 to the next hour after 2 is 3. And then from 3 to 4, it's just 1 hour. So this jump was 40 minutes. This jump was an hour. From 2:20 to 4 o'clock is an hour, 40 minutes. Okay? Sometimes you will have an uneven finish time. So that might look like this. Let's just say that it's 1 o'clock to 5:45. Okay? It's actually a little bit easier. So 1 o'clock, 5:45. Okay, I'm starting on an even hour, so I'm just going to go hours until I can't go anymore. So 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. My hours get smaller. Have you noticed that? My jumps get smaller. Okay, so and then 5 to 5:45. You can really subtract that. It's 45 minutes. Okay, so this jump is 45 minutes. Okay, from an hour to an hour, same hour, it's a minutes. It's just however many minutes that is. From 0 to 45 is 45. Okay, so we've got an hour, an hour, an hour, an hour. That's 4 hours, 45 minutes. Okay, those aren't too tough. The ones that can be a little tricky are when they give you an odd start and stop. So like, let's say it's 1:18 to 6:22. Okay, here's how you can do these. So use a timeline. Okay, I'm still going to start with that first jump being to the next hour. So I'm going to 2 o'clock, and I'm just going to subtract from 60 to find out how much that is. 42 minutes. Okay, so that jump is 42. Okay, 2 to 3, an hour, 3 to 4, an hour, 4 to 5, an hour, 5 to 6, an hour, And then from 0 to 22 is 22 minutes. Okay? So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. But then I've got these things that I need to deal with. Okay? And 42 and 22 comes out to more than an hour. So 42 and 22 is 64 minutes. We know that 60 minutes is an hour. So I'm going to take from this. You can look at it two ways. You can look at it like I'm subtracting 60 and there's 4 left. So this 60 that I subtracted, that's another hour. So now I'm at 5 hours, 4 minutes. Okay, or you could divide. 64 divided into groups of 60 would be 1, remainder 4. 1 hour, 4 minutes. Okay. Just you shouldn't have more than 60 minutes. If you have more than 60 minutes, you need to make an hour. It's kind of like saying I have 110 pennies. You wouldn't say that. You'd say I have $1.10. Okay. I have 150 pennies. No, you have $1.50. Right? We wouldn't say I have 70 minutes. You'd say an hour and 10 minutes. Because 60 is the cutoff. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, 3:32 to 8 o'clock. Let's go 8:15. Okay, so 3:32 to 8:15. Okay, I'm going to go to the next hour, which is 4 o'clock. That's a jump. 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, very small hour, and then 8 to 8:15, 0 to 15, that jump is 15 minutes. Okay, I need to figure out this jump though, from 32 to 4. So I can just subtract from 60. It's 28 minutes. Okay, so this jump was 28 minutes, hour, 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 hour. Okay, 4 hours. And then I've got 28 minutes and 15 minutes, and I want to just put those together. 43 minutes. That's fine. 43 minutes is fine. It's not over 60. Okay, so I've got 4 hours, 43 minutes. So when they give you odd starts and stops, like they did here, use your number line. Okay, go to the next hour, count the whole hours, and then the end piece. Okay, get your whole hours put together. 4, and then put together your pieces. Okay, and just keep in mind that it shouldn't be a number over 60 or you have an hour there. So that's it. Elapsed time, day 1.